Hi viewers, welcome to Hotspot programming. Today I'm going to explain you why JavaScript is so special. JavaScript is only the programming language that runs natively in web browser. This means it is essential for front-end development, enabling dynamic interactive web pages. JavaScript is used for both front-end and back-end development. On front-end development, it powers interactive elements on website. While on backend development with environment like Node.js, it handles server-side logic. JavaScript has vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks like React.js, Angular, and Vue.js that allows developers to build complex applications more efficiently. Real-time compatibility. Real-time compatibility with WebSockets and libraries like Socket.io. JavaScript excels with real-time applications such as chat apps and live streaming. Event-driven architecture. JavaScript's event-driven non-blocking architecture is particularly well suited for real-time applications like chat applications, gaming, and collaborative tools. This allows efficient handling of asynchronous operations, which is crucial in modern web applications. The JavaScript community is one of the largest and most active in programming world. This means a wealthy resources, tutorials and support is available, making it easier for developers to learn and solve problems. JavaScript is continuously evolving with frequent updates and new features being added through ECMAScript specifications. This keeps the language modern and capable of handling new challenges in software development. Wide adoption. JavaScript is used by millions of developers in worldwide and is key part of many tech stacks. Its wide adoption means it has become a standard for web development, ensuring it will continue to be relevant for years to come. Thank you. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.